In this video, we durability test the JLB CHEETAH. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh! Oh no! What happened, Stephen? Oh,
it exploded.
Alright guys, I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay, and I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items, and I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. Alright guys, enjoy the video. A few people in the comments said that the CHEETAH looks like a copy of the eRevo. Maybe the body slightly, but if you have a look inside, completely different. The eRevo's got the motor up high, it's a plastic chassis, it's got these laid down shocks, and if you look at this, it is more like a conventional kind of buggy design with the standard upright shocks, more of a conventional chassis layout, and overall, inside completely different. Alright, let's go bashing. Subscribe. Guys, in this video we're going to test the JLB CHEETAH on the skate park. What's going to happen, Stephen? Alright, let's see what this thing's made of. Oh, it's already, nearly on the railing. Uh-oh. Stephen's got his newly modified Savage.
It was on 4S earlier on, now it's on 8.
Oh, we're on 8S?
Yeah.
Go on then, how fast it go? I'll give you a race for the CHEETAH. So, we've got the JLB CHEETAH on 3S, and we've got the Savage on 8S. Alright, go! Oh! He's upside down.
Walk off shame.
Where are you going, Stephen? The CHEETAH's just as fast. Oh, and it just went up. This thing's pretty good, man. I wasn't expecting it to be as good. Oh, that went up. Oh, chassis slammer. Oh. Oh, the Savage is getting it. Nice. Oh, nearly. Oh! That's what broke the Savage in half. Oh my god! Oh, I bet something flew off of that and nearly hit me in the face.
Yeah, first tyre.
Where did it go?
The tyre is there. There was water.
Something came out and nearly hit me in the face. Savage takes it. Oh dear, that looks dangerous.
Yeah, there was water in it, look.
Oh.
It's come out.
Oh, that looks like something that comes out of maybe there.
It's got a drainage hole now.
Oh, wicked, we need to do one on the other side.
How did it get in there?
He always gets in there somehow. What about a forward flip in a minute?
No.
Oh! Oh no!
What happened?
Oh, what happened, Stephen?
Oh. It exploded.
Oh no! There's something.
Oh, what? How did it? It's twisted itself round.
What? What?
It's twisted round.
What's this not broken? Oh, what?
Yeah, it's broken.
What? That
That bit's broken off there, but it's actually managed to twist itself all the way around.
Put it back. Hey!
But it does have a bit of rear wheel steer.
but that was a dirty landing.
It was horrific.
Still works.
Yeah.
That, something just disappeared.
Yeah, that exploded. I'm assuming there were some screws and washers.
I don't know, there's something there that's not there anymore.
Yeah. But in all fairness, damage-wise, it's minimal for a really horrific landing.
I mean, that is a dirt cheap part. That's probably like £5 or something, $5. Yeah. So guys, that was a dirty landing. It landed straight on the wing. Tried that forward flip, didn't quite work. But luckily, it's only broken that. Very cheap parts. We're going to get that back and going again. And we're going to do a round 2. Not today though, because I've got no parts on me. Alright, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button. You know what you got to do. Bah.
You know what to do. Subscribe.
Alright, so guys, got it all fixed again. Super easy fix. The parts are easily available, and these are the 2 parts that I needed here, and you get 2 in a packet, so if you bust it again, then you've got the spares already. So literally, this is all that broke. I just broke a little ear off of here, and it broke one of these rod ends. So really, guys, for the abuse that it took, that's not really bad. The wing, I just bolted it back on. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year.